This gasoline-powered wood chipper features a robust 7 horsepower, 4-stroke engine that efficiently shreds branches and debris up to 3 inches thick. Its large hopper handles substantial volumes, converting debris into mulch ideal for gardens and landscaping. The vertical discharge chute with an adjustable guide allows precise material discharge between 90 degrees and 145 degrees. Perfect for gardening, landscaping, and forestry tasks. It also aids in creating fire breaks. Compact and powerful, this wood chipper simplifies yard cleanup, saving time and effort while delivering professional results for home and outdoor use. The CAMO Lever is a must-have for DIYers building decks or patios. Designed to work with boards from 1.5 inches to 3 inches wide, it straightens warped planks effortlessly while ensuring consistent spacing and alignment. Its locking mechanism secures rows of boards for quick installation at any angle. The ergonomic, multi-directional handle locks into place with a simple turn, reducing strain and making it easy to use for long periods. Whether tackling pressure-treated lumber or hardwoods, this tool ensures smooth, professional results, saving time and frustration for both experienced builders and casual DIY enthusiasts. Built for safety, the big red steel jack stands offer unmatched durability and reliability for car maintenance. Each stand is crafted from high-quality forged steel with a solid welded frame and holds up to 6,000 pounds. The tooth rail system allows for quick height adjustments between 11 1/4 inches to 16 3/4 inches, ensuring the perfect lift for most vehicles. Featuring a wide parameter base and a large footprint, these stands provide excellent stability and support. Rigorously tested to meet ASME standards, they are a secure, reliable solution for professional and home car maintenance. The Stinger pneumatic cap nailer delivers high-speed, precise fastening with ease. Operating between 90 to 120 psi, it handles materials like substrates, foam boards, and waterproof films efficiently. Its staple capacity of 200 staples reduces downtime, enabling uninterrupted workflow. Compact and lightweight, this nailer features an ergonomic handle that minimizes fatigue, ensuring comfortable use during long projects. With a durable metal body, it's built to withstand heavy wear and tear, offering long-lasting performance. Ideal for professionals and DIYers, the Stinger Cap Nailer guarantees smooth, reliable results for roofing, siding, and mounting tasks. The Fluent Power cordless water pump is perfect for water transfer tasks like draining ponds, rain barrels, or pools. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it pumps up to 530 gallons per hour and delivers water to heights of 65.5 feet. Its 3/4-inch outlet easily connects to garden hoses and sprayers for versatile use. Equipped with a timer function, you can set it for 5, 10, or 15 minutes of operation. With overheat protection and a waterproof battery compartment, this pump ensures safe, reliable performance, making it the ultimate solution for efficient water management. The Skill Compact Multi-Cutter effortlessly slices through materials like cardboard, carpet, vinyl, and leather up to 6 mm thick. Its 40 mm blade delivers precise, clean cuts while staying sharp for extended use. Designed for comfort, the ergonomic handle and lightweight build make it easy to use for long periods. A power lock mechanism prevents accidental startups, ensuring safety during operation. With a blade speed of 300 revolutions per minute, this cutter is perfect for DIY projects and professional tasks. Compatible with Skill 12-volt batteries, it's the ultimate cutting tool for speed, accuracy, and convenience in every job. The Sunfire Radiant Heater is perfect for efficiently heating large spaces up to 3,500 square feet. Delivering an impressive 150,000 BTUs, it operates for up to 19 hours continuously on diesel, kerosene, or fuel oil. Built for safety, it produces zero carbon monoxide emissions and features an on-off switch for quick shutdown and a flame sensor for added protection. Its durable steel design and rubber wheels make it easy to maneuver by one person. Whether heating warehouses, workshops, or job sites, this heater provides reliable, odorless, and consistent warmth for industrial spaces. The Bora Portamate mobile table transforms any job site or workshop into a versatile workspace. When folded, it's compact for easy storage, but unfolded, its sliding wings expand into a 7-foot work surface. Built to hold up to 400 pounds, it's perfect for heavy tools and materials. Designed to fit miter saws up to 24 inches wide, it includes adjustable mounts for precise positioning. The 10-inch wheels make transportation effortless, while the flat surface option adds versatility for various tasks. Durable, portable, and easy to use, this mobile table is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Rite electric stair climber simplifies moving heavy items up and down stairs. With a weight capacity of 200 kilograms, it effortlessly lifts furniture, appliances, and bulky items while reducing physical strain. Its durable aluminum frame ensures strength and long-term reliability, while the wheel braking system provides secure control on stairs and uneven surfaces. Featuring a foldable handle, it's easy to store and transport when not in use. Designed for professionals and homeowners, the electric drive ensures smooth, efficient performance, saving time and effort during moves. It's the ultimate solution for stress-free heavy lifting.